Kagandahan ng ano nito, itong Red Planet. Yung tabi niya is M na, ayan oh. So madali talaga siya, no? Mamasyal lang dyan, pupunta ng SM. So ito yung reception area ng Red Planet. So dyan kami mag-check-in today, guys. So itayin lang natin, medyo may tao pa sa counter. So ito yung ano, kung gusto nyo kumuha ng room with breakfast, dyan yung ano nila, breakfast area. Yung room na kinuha namin, wala siyang breakfast. Mahirap dito mag-parking. Pero puno kasi. So doon kami nag-parking sa may Limketkai.
Hi everyone, so we're in the Red Planet Hotel, and then we have booked 2 rooms, and 811 is from our brothers, and then here's my mother and my sister. Hi guys. And 810 is where our room is. So we go with 811 first. So this is the room. Hi James.
Hello.
And then this is how small the room is. And we have CR. We have the sink and then shower over here. And this is the room here. And this is the bedroom. So TV for things. And just like that. And we'll go to the other room. So 811 is the room of our brothers, and now we will go to our room, which is 810. So we're going to have to knock because they don't have a doorbell here. Hey guys!
Hello!
So
Come
this
in!
is our room.
Yes, this is our room.
Ooh.
Welcome to our small room.
So this is our room. It's very small, but it's fit. Yeah.
See, you can check out the city view here from the top of this room. So this is our room. Maliit lang siya pero maganda, malinis naman siya. May TV ka na, bed, may safety box. Wala lang siyang refrigerator. Yan, no? Kung gusto niyo maghanap ng budget-friendly na mga hotel, try nyo guys yung Red Planet dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Yung sa tabi ng SM, itong Red Planet, nandyan. Accessible siya, maganda siya kasi SM, tapos yung Centrio Mall, malapit lang sila. Kahit yung Limketkai, malapit lang din sa Red Planet. So maganda yung location ng hotel na to, mag-i-enjoy kayo. Tapos, itong room na to, ano lang siya, 1,800 pesos. So nag-book kami ng 2 rooms. Yung sa kabila, sila Kuya Kyle, Kian at saka si James. So ito yung room niya. Maganda naman, try nyo yung naghahanap ng mga mura na mga hotel dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Okay, Ayati, you like our room, right?
Yes.
Yes, guys. So see you later, guys.
Bye.
Going to Limketkai, Cagayan de Oro.
Are you excited to go, James?
Yeah.
Nice place, James.
Yeah, nice place.
ng jogging natin. Hey James, it's dinner time. We'll try this restaurant. This is our first time. Good time. Wow. Retail shrimp.
Hey guys!
Hello! Come
This
in.
is our room.
Yes, this is our room.
Ooh.
Welcome to our small room.
So this is our room. It's very small, but it's yeah. Wow! And now we go to room 10. Lucky. Hi, this is the room 11. Room 10. Mama. And then, hey guys, so it's Ayasha, and this restaurant is different from the original, not original.